everyone, it's Raleigh, and today I'm planning in my Hobonichi Cousin. I'm doing the September monthly and the week of August 28th, and I'm going to be using the Coffee Monsteez Co September kit. I'm a huge fan of these colors and the theme for this one. I like the warm, kind of cozy ones, so it's like a bakery theme and beautiful colors with browns and beige and pink and perfect for fall. And it's actually been a couple months since I've used like a proper monthly kit, but these are great because you can obviously do the monthly and then you've got lots to use, labels and things to use for the weeklies as well. I'm going to start by putting this big box up here. And there we go. That looks good. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the days of the week up top. And yeah, they're really beautiful colors this month. Oh yeah, I'll add this September here too. And yeah, days is in here, days of the week. And yeah, this gives it a really nice kind of polished look, and it also just kind of shows off the colors for the month as well. Go. And yeah, I'm really excited to see what kits that might be coming next year too. Okay, so I've got almost all. I'm on my last one this Sunday, and yeah, I'm excited to see kind of what next year's kits are going to be. Hopefully they'll be out soon. What else was, oh yes, I want to use, they have the kits, they have these different little headers as well. So I think I'm going to put these down too. So we'll put this month, and I've kind of, I haven't been using the monthly a lot, but I mainly just use it to mark kind of the main things that are happening so that, you know, if I quickly need to glance and have a look, I can. But I do want to start to use the sidebars a little bit more too. So if I put some of these prompts, hopefully that will help. Oh, that's a little wonky. I don't mind things a little bit off, but yeah, okay, there, that's better, sort of. Okay. Which other one am I going to use? So this month, finance, I'll add this one in here too. And I'm on to just putting some of the icon stickers down for some of the basic things like payday, and then I'll do them for like garbage and recycling pickup. Get the paydays down, and oh, and there's a holiday this month. This coming Monday, wow, it's Monday, is a holiday, so I think I'll be putting a sticker down for that too. Let me just get these holidays. This is another fun thing too. When you get the monthly kits, they have kind of the fun kind of holidays, or not holidays, but days that happen. So like read a book or businesswoman day. So they're kind of fun to add to the calendar too. Okay, so those ones I still have to do. Oh, I should put and I should put the holiday in. Right, well, not that I'll forget, but so we're off on the 4th. What will I use? Maybe I'll use just trying to find a nice label to use for that one. And I kind of can't believe it's already September, but August was a strange one. The weather was odd. It was hot, which I don't mind, but it was humid. And I struggle with that. And then it was also kind of rainy and gray a little bit, so it was a bit of an odd month. So I'm happy for the cooler temperatures, mainly against the humidity we've been having. So looking forward to, through September, hopefully it will cool off. So mark that down. Oh, and I think I've got a little day off sticker I'll put down there too. There we go, little pillow. Nice. All right, I think the only other thing I'm going to put down is, the kind of garbage and recycling stuff. And then I think that will be it. And yeah, so this one's pretty minimal for me. I'll put in if I have, and I do actually have some events where I'll be out of the office for work. So I'll probably end up marking those in too, but I'll probably just put them in with a pen. So yeah, that's how the monthly is looking. And now on to the weekly for the week of August the 28th. So this will be the week we'll be heading into September. So I'll be using the kit for that too, but I'm going to begin by putting all of my numbers down. And here we go. All right, so all my numbers are down, and now I think I'm going to use this washi, which kind of has the similar theme. It's like the bakery cafe theme. So let me get that down as well. There we go. So I think this looks so cute. And yeah, the colors go really well with the monthly kit too. And so what are we going to start with here? Okay, so we're going to put, so I used a September sticker and just stuck it on a label. So I'm going to put that there because I always like to mark the start of a new month. I think that looks pretty good. I have been getting more of the text kind of stickers as well. Yeah, I just think it just looks nice and clean looking. And then I'll get my work one down too. Where should I put it? Because I will, yeah, I'll just stick it here. And I'll grab my little work and then a couple of arrows as well. So yeah, I find that this is kind of, you know, how I like to mark off my work. And I found over the months, like since I started doing this, I kind of just settle into the different bits and pieces I like, and I'm still adapting a little bit. We'll see how it goes, but this is kind of the format that works. Go. Oh. And I do work from home, so, and that's where some weeks I do use the timing sections, other times I don't. I will have more, starting in September, I will be out kind of doing events outside of home office a little more, so that may change things up a bit, but in the meantime, we'll just put this down because my work hours are pretty steady through the week anyway. And next is my weekend line. Go. All right, and I think next I'm gonna put little labels to use as headers under the washi. So go ahead and put these in. These are some of the ones from the that monthly kit. So I think I'll put them in every other one. That'll probably be enough. There we go. Okay, so I've got those down. Now what's next? Oh, I'll start to put some of the icons on. So I got waste pickup on Friday. And let's see. Oh, and I want to put one of these list boxes. We're going to see what color. I like to put these on the weekend one, and then anything, usually towards the end of the week, I can kind of fill in there anything I haven't gotten to that I want to do. And yeah, that color looks good. And I do have one appointment this week. This week's actually very light. I don't have anything out of the office for work, and I only have this one appointment, so kind of nice. And I'm gonna try and enjoy it because once September starts, it's gonna get a lot busier all around, which is a good thing. I like to be busy. And I'm gonna put this down here because I do like to have a next week section too. All right, this is looking pretty good. I'm really liking the colors, and I really like actually the shimmer in the washi tape as well. It's really pretty. Okay, we need something up on the left-hand side, so I think I'll use that. And maybe I'll put important up there. Hey, Ren. There we go. All right, this is starting to come together. Let's see, what else do I want to add? So I think this week I'm going to use, so at the bottom, a few different, oh, and I do want to use this too. I forgot. I have my little s'more stickers that kind of go with this theme a bit. Just make me smile. All right. Yeah. Okay, I stepped away for a second. So now, and I've got this sticker. This was from I got it earlier in the year, and this is beautiful sticker with the baguette. It kind of goes with this whole theme. This is one of the characters that's in the washi as well, so I thought that that would actually look really cute there. Yeah, I like that. And a nice way, do a little extra because we're heading into a new month. And I also picked up these new Today stickers that she has, so they can kind of go ahead and put those down. I think they're clear in the back, so I might pick out some labels for them. All right, it took me a second. So yeah, I am going to put these labels down because they're really cute too. And then I'll just put the little Today stickers on top. Yeah, that looks good. Because this is a week where I will be home more, I kind of like for those weeks each day, kind of as I get up or sometimes the night before, I'll list out kind of what I want to get done. I'll just sort of see how work goes and how I'm feeling. So I won't put them on Tuesday because I'll probably be going out a little bit during that day, but I think maybe I'll put it kind of every other day. Oh, okay, that's a little too wonky for me. Straighten this up a bit. There we go. Yeah, I really like these. And I think it looks good having all the kind of text stickers as well. It just makes everything look so nice and clean. Okay, put that down, and one more Today sticker. Yeah, I'm liking the look of this. There we go. Okay. Now what else do I want to add? I'm gonna put some more stuff along the bottom. And yeah, my list for each day, I usually just kind of the day before or the day of, I fill them in, but I will fill in a little bit of this stuff. All right, and I'm back. So I did fill in, so on the left, I decided just to put like icon stickers instead of kind of full words. So key things to think of, like no spend, unplug. In the home section, I did put the clean the house sticker, which I've used before. And then I gave myself a couple of spots for kind of things I want to track and do. And so yeah, that's what it's looking like filled in. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. See you soon. Bye.